Bittorrent, huge news coming. Plus BTT price prediction 2021. Since 2009, there's been an extremist better approach for making payments. The production of the first decentralized peer-to-peer installment system, Bitcoin, has prompted the making of a novel and blasting set of payment services, referred to aggregately as cryptocurrencies. These digital currencies are not made or supported by any administration, nor does anyone have full oversight over them. Could this turn into the main way individuals pay for goods and services in the 21st century? Hello there guys, and welcome back to Crypto Channel. Today, in this video, we'll be sharing the latest information on Bittorrent coin, price prediction, and in-depth analysis of the coin. Stay tuned with us until the end. Also, subscribe to our channel for daily videos and updates. So let's go. Bittorrent, CCC, BTT USD, is referred to by its users as a peer-to-peer network giving document sharing services. Notwithstanding, just a small extent of its users would realize that it's also one of the most famous cryptocurrencies on the lookout. It is one of the industry's best performing altcoins, increasing more than 2,500% in the past 12 months. Industry experts are bullish on its potential in 2021 and anticipate that BTT should proceed with its spectacular run this year. For quite a long time, the organization struggled to adopt its enormously well-known service. In any case, all that has changed since Bittorrent's acquisition by the Tron Foundation. The new owners presented a crypto of the same name to grow its protocol and incentivize the organization's participants. The BTT coin is for individuals requiring faster download and upload speeds and different services, which would otherwise be inaccessible to them as free users. The system at last improves the nature of service and lays the foundation for the platform's future development. The supply of BTT is restricted to 990 billion tokens, and its distribution started in mid-2019. More coins will be opened in 2028 by the Bittorrent Foundation. 19% of all tokens are inferable from the Bittorrent team and its foundation, while the Tron Foundation gets 20%. The coin ecosystem generally got 19.9% of the tokens, and different partnerships got just 4% of the supply. BTT is a TRC-10 cryptographic token on the Tron protocol. The ecosystem essentially allows its users to go about as either service requesters or providers. It's essentially a motivation-based system inside the dynamics of the platform. The transactions happen once the service supplier gets a bid from the requester. This process initiates what's known as an instalment channel on a ledger and begins the transaction between the parties. The process involves check measures at all times the requester confirms the transaction is finished. SALIENT features. Supported by a robust and high-bandwidth public blockchain platform, the issue Bittorrent has addressed is the accessibility issues of setting up a hybrid consensus mechanism. BTT is based on cryptographic methods that are dependent on zero disclosure proof and numerical consistency of the completely blockchain-empowered transaction, which is cross-checked without uncovering any data or message on the other party engaged with the transaction. Consequently, security obstacles are arrested first. The credit goes to the development of the Zyro protocol by BTT, which happens to be the mainstream of the completely decentralized finance ecosystem, which happens to be one more dispatch in the offering. A salient characteristic that stands out in this protocol is that it ensures liquidity and ensures lightning-fast speed of transactions on the organization. This detectable trend makes it exceptionally contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance protocols, and at the same time establishes a plenty of mining avenues. Thus, it would not be an overstatement to name the capacity of BTT tokens as catalysts in carrying out smart contracts and transfer funds. Historical data and analysis. The live Bittorrent price today is $0.004790 USD, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $822,879,894 USD. Bittorrent is up 8.48% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap positioning is number 48, with a live market cap of $3,161,394,559 USD. It has a circulating supply of 65,952,625,000 BTT coins, and the maximum supply is not accessible. Being a result of ongoing decentralized blockchain advancement, the future seems splendid for BTT, according to expert specialized analysis. Price performance and prediction. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and significant price changes can occur inside the space of minutes because factors like regulations, contest, the development of new tech, exchange, market sentiments, etc. There are some cryptocurrency predictions given by master traders and enthusiasts, or in any event, forecasting websites for digital currencies on how BitTorrent would act later based on the risks implied. It is not long that its prices would beat during the forthcoming years, growing its user base. Its association in various adventurous projects like BitTorrent Web, BitTorrent Classic, BitTorrent Android could ensure its price keeps up the force, according to the fundamental and technical analysis by industry experts. BitTorrent has had it harsh generally. It struggled to gather any speed during 2019 and 2020, yet has taken off considerably since the start of the year. Volatility remains high. However, BTT's presentation remains solid in the past 2 or 3 months. There are changed price predictions for BTT now, most of which highlight a substantial increase in its price from current levels. Analysts on Digital Coin accept that BTT will be worth around 1 penny this year. In addition, they expect an increase in its price every year until somewhere around 2028. As indicated by the experts at Trading Beasts, BTT's price is probably going to rise by a significant degree this year. They also anticipate that it should close out the year at around 1 penny largely, and expect sizable developments every month after May. Analysts on the website Coinpedia have an extremely grand prediction at the cost of BTT. They trust it has the possibility to be valued at $1 before this year's over, and could perhaps hit the $3 mark by 2022. 2021. With the market being very capricious, forecasting the cryptocurrency price is truly even more of a bet and karma instead of a data-driven guesstimate. Predictions since then have started drifting towards optimism as opposed to pessimism. BitTorrent price prediction for this entire year remains very reassuring, stating that it may leap to about $0.0055 in September and October, and straight to the $0.0061 mark by year's end. 2022. However, it is too soon to foresee whether BTT will drop from the pinnacle. What remains clear is that there is good reason to have hope, without a doubt. BitTorrent price prediction will keep on showing a positive trend among the subsiding pandemic scenario, touching the $0.0085 to $0.0098 mark. 2023. Passing by the study of shorter and longer price trends, BTT has been digressing from its way typically every several years. So going ahead, almost certainly the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so extraordinary for BitTorrent price prediction for escalation, especially with rivals finding warmth or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of things to come at the price of BitTorrents bringing about a slight price drop to $0.0090 once more. 2024. Stating that a stunning possibility does not exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is by and by expected that BitTorrent will govern the crypto realm with an exhibition of price fixed at $0.0105. This is identical to the same that was shown in BitTorrent price predictions toward the year's end 2021, which shows BTT has a maximum capacity to sustain as well as consistently fill, even in adverse conditions. 2025. In the event that the undertaking BitTorrent stands the test of time and mass reception picks up number, this sort of optimistic assumption stems from 2 preconditions. 1. BTT continues to surpass expectations, and 2. Markets stay as great as always, pushing the price upwards until $0.0125, making it a beneficial investment asset to exchange. BTT has a splendid future in front of it in 2021. With progressing developments occurring inside the BTT ecosystem, as well as in the general crypto market, we might see BTT arrive at new heights. Significantly, the bullish BTT price prediction 2021 is $0.007. As said above, it might even come to another ATH if investors have concluded that BTT is a wise investment in 2021 alongside mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Besides, it has an opportunity to reach $0.0095 in the last parts of this year as well. Don't forget to like this video. Also, subscribe and share our channel. And do let us know your thoughts about the BTT coin in the comments section.